Greetings vendors, Mike here with 720 Vending. In today's video we are going to be collecting from my retirement apartment complex. This is the last collection for the month of June. Enjoy the show. Have a great day. Greetings everyone. Today we are collecting at the retirement apartment complex. As you can see, the snack machine is looking pretty low. Soda machine needs some love too. We'll get that loved up. Parking the camera up here for you guys. Get a bird's eye view of everything. Patented knee split on the Pepsi to start us out. Did get everything into Vensoft already. If you'd like to know more about that, check out the link in the upper right hand corner. Split that case of Coke. We'll get that restocked and then we'll head on to the rest of the soda. Get some more Mountain Dew in there. How's everyone's week going? This Friday will be the end of month video for all of my machines. You'll see all of the collection. You'll see the final collection for the month from all the machines, as well as seeing the totals for the month. Now for some Dr. Pepper. Now we're up to the Sprite. We're going to get 2 cases of Sprite in here, I believe. May just be one. Yeah, just one. Nope, 2. Have that patented knee split there to make it easier to load them. If you guys like vending related content, check out my buddies' channels, Galaxy Games 843, Xtreme Vending, Howard Hospitality Group, and our good friends over at Quik Play. They are currently doing a contest for a 24-inch Galaxy crane. I myself have just recently got into the crane game, so you'll be seeing videos of those coming soon. Time for the cash collection. Working with GoPro positions, working on them here. Had to go grab the coin bag. Minimal change for the week. This machine usually does well in dollar bills and credit cards. Machine did $52 in sales for the week. $23.10 of that was in credit cards. Next, we're going to get on to our snack machine. This machine looks like it's been really hit this week, so we're going to get restocked up. Looking at precarious ways to mount the camera to give you guys a better view. Definitely needs more Fritos. They go through a lot of them here. And they're going through Danishes this week too. So we'll get those all restocked, get some more chips in there. If anybody has any suggestions I can use for the snack coils, be more than happy to hear them. Now we're going to get some more of the Hostess Danishes in there. They do like those Danishes this time of year. Updating the numbers as I go along. At this point, I realized I forgot cookies at home, so I restocked those off camera. I'm human. It happens. Getting the Three Musketeers restocked. And then getting some more Skittles in there, which I ran out of Skittles, and I was really surprised because they don't sell too well here. If I run out of Skittles this week, I'm going to try some Starburst in there to clear out some inventory I have. Add some more Reese's Cups. If you guys want to give Ventsoft a try, there is a free 14-day trial down in the description below. Definitely comes in handy for your business. Get the M&Ms restocked. I think there's a lot of grandkids visiting right now to this retirement complex, because some of the stuff that's not normally gone is gone. Getting all the numbers counted up so that way I get in the correct amounts into the application. Now we'll look at the money. Nope, I gotta do the V8 first. Definitely need more of that. I know what you're going to say. I use soup coils for soda, for cans. Guess what? It works, and they sell. Nice amount of change there. Let's get a quarter waterfall going. Then we'll get onto the cash. Drop the lucky quarter back in the bucket. Nice little stack there. Did $139.35 for the week, and $85.90 of that was in credit cards. So definitely a good week here. For more vending related content, please like and subscribe. Enjoy your day and keep on vending.